In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can make a picture like this say anything you want it to say. And as you can see, here's a script I wrote, and I want this picture to say exactly what I wrote here. So you can write anything, you can input anything, you can input any script, and it's going to say it out exactly the way you wrote it. And the beautiful part is you can also upload an audio and it's going to say it exactly how the audio is uploaded. Now, how cool is this? So let's dive into the video. When you click on the link on the description on the pinned comment of this video, it's going to take you to this interface. First, what you need to do is for you to click on these three dots to change this interface to a desktop site in order for us to have a very clear view of this website. Okay, so what you need to do, just keep scrolling down. As you can see, say use realistic AI avatar for marketing just like influencer. So keep scrolling down so that we can get to the very bottom of this page and we can sign up and get started with the real deal of the day. So just keep scrolling, get to the very bottom. Here you will see scaling your video creation with Topview AI. So all you need to do is for you to click on start for free. When you click on start for free, it's going to take you to this interface. Say sign up with Google or sign up with Apple. Just click on sign up with Google so that you can actually sign up with your Gmail account to get started. So it's going to show this interface once you've signed up with your Gmail. All right, it says select your use cases, either social media content, product, demo, entertainment. So I'm going to be choosing entertainment. After clicking on entertainment, I'm going to be clicking on continue. So next, it's going to open this interface. It says what's your company size? Is it self-employed, personal use, 11 to 50 employees, and so many other things. So you are going to check and choose the one that best suits you. So I'm going to be clicking on self-employed. Next, you get to this interface. Said how did you hear about us? Of course, on YouTube. Click on it and click continue. Thank you for your insight. Join our Discord channel to share more ideas anytime, so you can decide to join the Discord. So click on get started. So by default, it's going to show this interface. Just navigate your way to dashboard. Okay, just click on dashboard. This is the dashboard. Let's explore this platform a little. The first one here say avatar marketing video. This one say realistic avatar. The third one say talking photo avatar. Right, this is one we are mainly interested in. Right, so before we click on talking avatar photo, let us still see what this side has for us. All right, so this fourth one said AI image generation. That is, you can actually put in prompt and it's going to generate image for you. I kid you not, their images are very beautiful, stunning, and realistic. All right, so we are going to be trying it in a bit, but firstly, let's go to talking avatar photo so that our photo can start talking as soon as possible. How cool is that? So I'm trying to navigate my way back to the talking photo avatar, right, so that I can click on it and we'll continue. So I'm going to click on the talking photo avatar now, and it's going to open an interface just like this. If you check closely, you see where it says text to audio. That's, you can put in your text, exactly what you want the photo to say. All right, or you can import audio. That's if you already have voiceover, you can just upload it and the photo is going to say exactly what you uploaded. Okay, but for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be imputing the prompt. That's what I want the avatar to say, and I'm going to be choosing a very human realistic voice from this same platform. So now it's time for me to upload the photo that I want to animate, that will now be the photo that will be talking. All right, so here I have two options. It's either I upload or I use AI to generate. All right, but now I already have a photo that I want to use for this particular one, but as we progress, I'm still going to be generating another photo from this platform. Next off, I'll click on upload so that it can take me to my gallery in order for me to choose the photo that I want to animate. As you can see, the image has been uploaded, but it's still trying to process. All right, so it's processing the image. Now the image is done processing. The next thing is for me to choose a voice that is going to read out the text I have pasted here. What you do next is for you to click here in order for you to choose the voice that you are going to use for your topic avatar or for your talking photo. So it's going to bring you to this interface where you can choose any voice you want to use. Okay, there are so many voices here. Some of them are paid and some of them are free. The ones that are with the crown, they are actually paid ones, and the other ones, they are free. So just because they are free does not mean they are not good. They are super good, and you are going to be hearing some of the voices as we progress. Guys, another thing that I love about this tool is that you can clone your voice. How cool is that? You can clone your voice and use your voice to generate videos that make pictures talk. And the thing is, you will be using your own voice. Guys, this is insane. When you get to this place, just explore, bring out your creativity and choose any voice that you want to choose. But for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to select a random voice that I feel it's okay for this video. I'll click on gender and I'll select male because the photo I'm using is a male photo. So I'm going to click on age for me to select the age I want the voice to be. Here we have young age, we have middle age, and we have old age. So I'm going to go for middle age. After that, I just chose the voice that I feel it's okay for me. I'm going to be using for this video. So when you get here, just explore most of the voices because they are all good. Just explore the voices and see the one that you prefer. I don't want to be playing all of the voices so that this video will not be too long. So once all that is done, I'm just going to hit on generate so that our video can be generated. Our photo is going to turn into talking photo. I can't wait. Who is excited? I'm excited. If you are excited, just drop a cute emoji for me on the comment section. You can see our video is already processing. I will pause the screen record for now. Once it's done, I'm going to come back. Our video is ready. What next? It's time for us to watch the video.
Welcome to Alice's YouTube channel, where she teaches everything about making money online. I am a talking avatar created by Alice. In today's video, I will be sharing with you how to create talking avatars for free.
How cool is this? Like, one thing I love about this is the head movement, the body movement, the lips, everything is just in place. And this will be very useful if you are running an AI news channel or you are running an Africa folktale channel or any AI generated video that needs to be uploaded on YouTube, and you use picture to create this video. You might as well make the photos talk. This is incredible, I must say. All you need to do is just for you to click on this download button and it will be downloaded to your device. So let's take for instance, you do not have the image. All right, you can also generate image from here. Just click on AI image generator and it's going to open this interface like this. Here you can choose the style you want your photo to be. All right, here you see basic, you see pro photo, you see raw and other style. So I'm just going to be choosing pro photo. This place the root image size. You are going to be choosing the size you want your image to be. Mine, I want it to be at 16 by 9. So I click on 16 by 9. This place they wrote prompt. Type a prompt that like you are going to be describing what you want your image to look like. All right, so if you want any of these prompts, just let me know in the comment section and I'm going to be sending the prompt for you right away. After inputting your prompt, just click on generate and you allow this AI to do its magic. Within 3 seconds, our image is ready. How cool is this? This is the best image generator I have seen in recent times. So why don't you go to the description or the pinned comment and get the link for you to try out this AI for yourself. The next video that is showing up on your screen right now is actually the video that YouTube recommend that you should watch from this channel. Click on it and I will see you in the other side.